Okay, so now let's talk about what you can do to figure out what kind of opt-in you should have and kind of how you can create an opt-in. So there are several different types of opt-ins. Okay, so you can have an opt-in that is a PDF, just a Word document that can tell anything. So what I advise and what I generally do is I look at the type of questions that people are asking me often. You know, so you notice that I came out with a video that was on the different type of wreath bases, the different types of mesh. Because guess what? I get those questions all the time. So I look for what kind of questions are people asking me, and when I figure out what that is, then I will come up with some kind of opt-in. It doesn't have to be a big thing. It can be a small thing, because people love to get free things. And all you have to do is write it out on a Word document, and then you can just save it as a PDF, or you can record a video. You can record a video and put it on YouTube. So I'm just going to kind of show you a little bit about, you know, what you can do as far as, you know, grabbing a video link and putting it in a Word document. So that's generally what I do. If I'm going to be doing an opt-in that has like a video in it, then I will just create a little PDF and I will put the link to the video in it. So if you're going to do something like a video, then what you really need to do is you need to make the video unlisted. So if you go over to YouTube, okay, and you go to Creator Studio.
Hi there.
Oh, hey, Dad. Okay, so in your Creator Studio, or if you're in the YouTube beta, either one, when you upload a video, so right up here's where you upload your video, what you would do is you would, let's see if we can find something. Okay, so I'm just going to go into one so I can just show you what to do. All right, so once you have uploaded your video, it's going to appear in your video editor. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to, right here where it says public, you want to have it unlisted. Okay, and then this is the video URL that you're going to grab. So you just highlight it and copy it, okay? All right, so then what you're going to do is you're going to pull up a Word document. It's a little bit better if you have something like Word or word processing. Okay, and then you can put in whatever you want. So one of the great things if you're doing something like in a Word document is you can just kind of use their little pre-formatted stuff just to make it look a little better. So you can do, okay, so on Word, all you really want to do is just put a nice title. So let's pretend like we're doing one on wreath bases. So that's the video that we have and we're going to give away. So I just want to center it. So right up here is the center. Let's make it larger. You can just say, here is your link to your free video on the different types of wreath bases. Enjoy. Okay, so then you can put anything you want down here. You could put your social media links. You could put just the link to the video itself. You do want to make sure that you hit enter so that they will be able to click it. The other way that you can get the link, all right, so you can also click on your video. Okay, and then
this is where you sink in, wind down, and kick back.
Up here is a link, so if you copy this link, you can use this link to put into your document. Okay, so we can make this larger. Okay, well, let's try to keep it in one. Oops. There we go. All right, so now all you have to do once you have it in here is just say File, Save As, and you're going to select where you're going to put it on your computer. Okay, so we're going to put it in Documents. And instead of saving it as a Word document, I'm going to click on that down arrow and I'm going to save it as a PDF. So then once I save this, I can use this, okay, to go put on our email just like we did in the last video. Okay, so that's one type. Let's say that you made a very small ebook. So you would do the exact same thing. You're going to put it in a Word document, you're going to save it as a PDF, and that's what you're going to use to attach to your email. So it's a really great idea just to sit down and think about, okay, what type of opt-ins can I provide people that they would be interested in? Ask people, you know, watch what they're asking you, watch their questions, think about the things that you wondered about. You know, you could give them a list of all the tools you use. And even better, you could give them a list of all the tools you use with affiliate links in it. You know, you just have to make sure that you say in there, there's affiliate links in here and I could make a little money off of it if you buy it. So those are really good things to do. It is just a really great way to get people into your email list. Okay, so let's talk about, so I do a weekly supply list. So every week I send out, you know, this is the videos that I did, this is a list of the products that I used, and then I also have a few affiliate links in there of where they can get some of the products. So a lot of people like to know, okay, where did you get that sign? Well, it's always listed in my supply list. So it's easy for me to say, hey, if you want to know what the supplies are, sign up for my email list and you'll get it every week when we send out the weekly newsletter. So those are the types of things that you can do just to get people interested in your email list. Okay, so let's talk about some of the things that you can do with your email list. Because in the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to go through sending out some emails. So there's a lot of things that you can do with an email list. You can use it to notify your customers of upcoming sales. You can use it to notify your customers of new products you have out, supplies that you've used with affiliate links, a blog post that you put on your website. So there's just numerous things that you can do. You know, you're not limited like you are on Facebook or with ManyChat. You can put as many links to anything you want in your email and send it out. And you know, the open rate on emails is not as high. However, the people who do open it, those can be actual customers that are converting. It doesn't take a lot of effort to do email list, and it can be very powerful. So you want to work at it, you know, over time. Just keep adding to your email list and try to get people engaged, because you never know. You might want to change the way you're doing your business, or you might want to add additional things, and you can easily reach out to people with email and let them know about that. You know, sometimes it can be difficult to figure out how to let your customers know that you have something new or something's changed, and you can do that with an email list. So the next video, we are going to go through how you can do an email and just kind of how you add in links and things like that.